Hello again, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on April 6th, and what a beautiful gap fill we have going on here. So perfect gap down, tiny bit of a sell-off right in the morning, right down to 118.30, which we'll talk about in a second. Came all the way back up, retraced it to 100%, gave a great intraday ascending triangle breakout trade right through here. Not the biggest volume print I've ever seen on a higher up move, but right into resistance at 118.80, and then you can see that we've again just fallen a little bit short of 119 now. On a higher time frame, that is a more than 100% retracement of the gap, plus a great test of all these highs back here from yesterday. So good stuff. I love the high base brewing. I like the 118 mark holding up as support. Usually resistance once broken becomes support. We talked about that as well. And again, only to be careful about the amount of resistance overhead on these higher time frames up in here. So we've been, again, being a little bit careful how we're trading long into this, while also looking for intraday entries into developing swing trades. We've now made a lower swing high at this area of resistance once broken becoming support, broken through that and our upper trend line here that we just put in a few seconds ago. So I'll be looking to see how this next swing high gets formed intraday. That'll give us a bit of an indication about how we might trade for the rest of the day, especially in the midday doldrums. In addition, the VIX, we can look at this guy intraday and see if we've broken our 17 mark, which we have very nicely. After an up gap, we've been watching this area very well. Came back up, used it as resistance, pulled back down to an area of support that was in there before. And this area now has been broken nicely all the way down to 1671. On a higher time frame, let's say the 60-minute chart, you can see that we're past the 17 area, heading right back into the 1665 area, which is support. Next stop, 1630, and then 1620. Right down below that, of course, we have to scrunch up the chart to find anything, even have to go out some time frames. So let's do that. Very, very nice. It's almost free and clear below that. So 1620 area would be an incredible break for the VIX. On the TRYN side of things, starting with the TRYN Q, nice bleed out below the 0.8 mark, even the 0.7 down to 0.5. Great amount of volume flowing into stocks on the rise. The TRYN itself has stayed nicely below 0.8. A little bit of a pop here along with that lower swing high sell-off we saw just a bit ago. Again, that doesn't look like much. It's now being confirmed by a little bit as the TRYN makes its way into the 0.8 area. So that's something to watch out for as we see the SPY trying to make swing high in here, what to mark where that goes, like I said before. So good stuff, great technical work here intraday. On a higher time frame again, watch how this breaks out, and again what we're trading into on a longer time frame. But all in all, very nice. So I hope you're having a great trading day. We do have a Meet the Mentor session tonight, starting at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. If you want to know more about our mentoring services, you can join us. You can click on the Services tab on the main page of FTV. That'll take you to a place where you can sign up for the session. And it's pretty cool. And again, you get to talk to us. And we get to figure out who you are a little bit, get to know each other a little better, and we get to tell you a little bit about our services there. So it could be great. We'll talk to you or maybe around 4:30, 4 o'clock. I'll be doing the afternoon video as well. And then maybe at 8:30 Eastern, we'll see you at the Meet the Mentor. So have a great rest of the trading day, everybody, and I'll talk to you soon.